August. Week 2. We have a Sassy Strawberry Plum Summer Salad.
Oh, say that 3 times fast.
A Sassy Sassy Strawberry Plum Summer Salad. That is freaking
Something
awesome.
like that.
Alright, so we have all of our ingredients here and prepped. And I got my sous chef, the lovely Rosemary Orange Olive Oil. Cooking with Rosie.
That's me.
That is her.
I like to cook too, but not as healthy as this girl.
She is cute or whatever.
I know.
We have a bed of greens, some dried cranberries, some walnuts. We have some cucumbers, strawberries, avocado. We have figs from our beautiful fig tree in the Vinaigrette.
I picked it right off the...
Make sure the June bugs don't get you, because they will.
Right.
We have some heirloom tomatoes and also some plums.
The star of the show.
So today I was actually going to make a orange rosemary, raspberry vinaigrette, and tahini dressing.
Sounds cute. You like that? I like that.
I like it too. You ready to get this going?
I'm ready to eat some raw goodness, honey.
So you actually don't need any equipment for this recipe.
Perfect, because I don't have some. I just got my hand.
Dress your salad however you like to dress it. I'm going to just grab a little bit of greens here. So cute. Everything is nice and fresh. This is our second year.
Second year. Oh my god, it feels like it wasn't that long ago.
I know.
Here we are, back at it again.
We are at it again.
Still eating healthy, guys.
Back at it again. Back at it again. Back at it again. You know how it is.
You know.
Alright, so I would like to start with some walnuts. I like to crunch mine in a little bit.
She just hand crunches it like that.
Right?
Gotta have some muscles for that. Let me get in here. I can't have a knife.
So I'm going to add some cranberries, some dried cranberries to this mix.
I'm still at the walnut.
Making a salad is so refreshing.
It's very therapeutic too,
Right?
It's like a little bit of this, a little bit of that.
It's all about the presentation for me.
It's all about the taste for me.
Okay.
Because sometimes salads be looking really cute, and sometimes your salads be looking like
Dinky.
gross, but they are so good.
Do you know I hate when somebody gives me a salad and it's only lettuce, cucumbers, and tomatoes?
Oh, we're
not
not
going
having
to charge like
No, we're not having that.
We're
That's
not
why.
having that.
No.
Not
Why you really have to make your own.
Yeah. Okay, the plums, which is going to be our secret ingredient for this salad.
Secrets.
Secrets? Bring on the secrets, girl.
Take more than you.
Okay. I'm going to put 2 figs to make it extra
Ooh,
sweet.
I love plums. Everybody be sleeping on plums.
They do.
And figs.
And oh my god, I
I'm
love
some right now.
avocado.
Who doesn't?
So much.
If you live in California and you don't like avocado, you can leave. You could just leave. Like, that's a crime. I eat an avocado every day. Salad making was this tough. I have to make it look cute. So this is even tougher.
Right.
I'm used to just
It's
being
about
like,
the presentation or whatever.
Is it? Okay.
Yes.
I didn't know about that.
Yes.
Let me just make it cute real quick. I think we're gonna have a competition and you're gonna win.
It's not a competition, babe.
Okay. She looks kind of cute.
Yeah. I like to put a little lemon pepper on my salads. Or whatever kind of like seasoning that you like.
That's a secret?
You remember last year we loved oxtail seasoning.
Oh, I am still
Oh,
so hooked on
oxtail seasoning.
Guys, go back and look at the last year's vid. Oxtail was where it's at. That was the 2020 vibe. This year, lemon pepper coming through for 2021. Okay.
Oh, you know how to do this?
Babe.
Cooking with Rosie. Alright, so you ready to present the camera with your salad?
Wait.
Okay.
Guys, you know what? This is why you're following P for this. You're gonna see mine, and you're gonna see why.
Here we go. Looks so good.
Guys, mine looks so good.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers. Okay, so I'm going to put a little mix for our dressing. Guys, I really don't know how this is about to taste, so hopefully it tastes really good. Right now I'm using a orange and rosemary olive oil, which is so good. Sherazad actually gifted this to me.
Hey,
and
girl.
it's actually my favorite this year. It's so bomb.
Is that?
Yes.
You
You
can
can
taste
taste
the
the orange and the rosemary.
I'm gonna try it by itself.
Okay. And then I purchased a raspberry vinegar because, you know, summer salads are like sweet and kind of tangy at the same time. So I want to kind of like have a nice little tang to it. So we'll put a little bit of that with it.
Shout out.
And then, hello.
Hello.
Let's bring in the tahini, baby.
Trader Joe's for the win.
Trader Joe's for the plug. Plug it in, plug it in.
I love that commercial.
I know, right? So I'll just grab a little bit of this. This is going to give it a nice creamy texture.
Woo.
Oh, whoop, whoop,
Can I mix
whoop,
it?
whoop, whoop. Of course you can, baby. That's right. That's right. Give it a little mixy mix.
Oh, don't you just love making your own salad dressing? Like, you just feel like when you're making your own salad dressing that you're just the epitome of health?
Right. Did you like the taste of the orange olive oil?
Yes!
Right? Isn't it so good?
It ain't no store-bought dressing.
It's not store-bought, honey.
Getting some consistency here, people.
Yes, we are. Oh, it looks so good.
Another couple seconds and it'll be... We ain't got no machinery out here, just your good old hard work.
I think that's good.
Okay. I don't know.
Let's taste it.
Okay.
Girl.
Okay.
We just might have. This might
That's
be a
actually
secret. This might be a
good.
secret like situation.
And you can taste a little orange hint.
Let's put a little bit of more olive oil.
It's got a little spicy kick.
Does it?
We're like,
I taste the spice, but you know.
oh, you know what it is from the vinegar a little bit. Not spicy, but just a little tangy. That was the word.
Tangy. I like that word.
You like that word?
Yeah. Okay. Here we go.
Drum roll, everybody. Oh, she's gonna even put it on her salad nicely. I'm just like. See, this is also an art lesson because we're learning how to make this pretty. Mine still looks ugly as hell. Like,
I'm gonna add some more.
I don't know about this cooking thing. Raw.
Ooh, baby.
Woo, baby. Cute.
Cute.
I want everyone to choose. Which one would you choose? Mine? No!
Are you ready for this taste, Mama? Oh my
You know what?
God.
It doesn't matter about the presentation. It's all about the flavor.
The flavor. So I went straight for the plum first because I just can't wait to put that in my mouth. Right. You know I deserve that.
I'm gonna go straight for the. I forgot what this is.
Good.
Thick.
That looks good.
Oh yeah, that's definitely fire.
That's bomb.
Ooh, that's really good.
Hands down for the win.
Wow. Health, wealth, happiness.
Health, wealth, and happiness.
Health, wealth, and happiness.
Yes. Oh my God, this was so much fun making this
So
salad.
fun, babe.
I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe with Rawgust too. And extra plus to my hamburger guy, Audio Production, and my beautiful Suho, my sous chef, Rosie Obella. And there you go, our strawberry plum summer salad for the win.
Bye.
See you next time.